Hi, my name is Lin San, and now I'm going to work on the extra credit number 1 chessboard. So, um, it's asked to use the turtle module to draw a Python code to draw a chessboard, and use the must use the following header: chessboard T size C1 C2 and N. So in order to draw this chessboard, it's made of it is like a big square draw out from like many little square inside. So I'm going to need the helper function to draw one square, to draw a square fill color in it. So I'm going to define this square this function with a square. In the param I have t for the total, sz for the size, and color. And then I'm going to define color. And then I'm going to use the begin field. I start begin field. And then I will do the for the for loop. I will use the for loop to draw the square. So for I in range 4, because the square has four sides. So go forward size and turn left 90 degree, and then it's end field. So I'm going to try to run this function. So yeah, I have the square that fill with the color blue. So for next, I'm going to comment this out. And next, I'm going to draw a row of square. So one row of square has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 square in total. So in the param, I also have T for turtle, SZ for size, C1, C2 are the color, what is because I want to have each square had the color alternate from C1 to C2, and n is for the number of the square. So for I in range n, it would is n the number of the square in one row. So I want the color to be alternate. So C1 C2 equals C2 C1 to I will switch the color, and then I will come back to the first color, the C1 color, and then pen up for the turtle to stop drawing. And so I'm going to go forward side. What is I don't want the turtle for the next step. It will start drawing at the same position, so I have to move the turtle, and then square T size C1, which is I make it to draw the square. So this is go in 8 times, because I want to make a row of square with 8 squares in it. So I'm going to run the code. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then for the next step, I'm going to use this function, the row of square function, as a helper function to draw the chessboard. So I'm going to define the chessboard, and in the parameter, I'm going to use the same like this one, with the T for turtle, size, T for turtle, size, and C1, C2, and N. And then in the param I have turtle. In the dot string I has turtle T draws n times, and chessboard its square has a size and color alternate from C1 to C2. Has size. Yeah. Has size. And then so for this I also want to draw like it need to be like for I want to so in this one I want to make the color alternate, so I switch the color right here, and I use the function so row of square to draw one row of square, and then I want to go backward to the first so if it's done drawing right here, I want it to go back. So size times n, with it size the side of the square, and n is a square. So I want to go back at the beginning to start drawing again in this loop. So and then it needs to turn right 90 degree, and then go forward side and turn left 90, and then it put the pen down to start drawing again. So I will try to run the code right here to see if it works or not. So here we go, it's drawing. So then yeah, I have a chessboard with 8 times 8, what is n times n, because I put it a square, so it's 8 times a chessboard.